Just a small request before we begin this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. In 1000 years. Decay of buildings. If civilization collapses, most buildings, bridges and dams around today will have fallen. Due to rapid evolution of languages, no single present-day word will have survived. 29% of the carbon dioxide released before 2100 is still here. New North Star, Gamma Cephal replaces Polaris. In 2000 years, Greenland ice completely melted with extreme global warming of plus 8 degrees centigrade, sea level 6 meters higher. In 2372 years, Halley-Bopp comet returns. Comet was last seen in 1997, due around 4385 AD. In 3200 years, New North Star number 2, Iota Cephal wins the top spot. In 5125 years, Mayan calendar predicts doomsday for Earth on 3rd May 7138 AD. In 8000 years, it's humanity's birthday, rough length of the period of human civilization. In 10,000 years, 14% of our carbon dioxide is still here, assuming no solution has been found. In 13,000 years, Earth's axial tilt reversed. Earth tilted towards the Sun in June. Northern Hemisphere suffers more extreme weather due to high percentage of land. In 18,860 years, Islamic and Gregorian calendars conquer and they share the same year, 20860. In 20,000 years, Chernobyl is finally safe. In 25,000 years, Arecibo message sent on 16 November 1974 radio data is received by globular cluster MESLA 13 at far side of the galaxy. In 50,000 years, Greenland ice completely melted with moderate global warming of plus 2 degrees centigrade. Niagara waterfall disappears. KEO time capsule launched in 2014 will re-enter the Earth's atmosphere. It has enough capacity to carry a 4-page message from everyone on Earth. In 100,000 years, the stars in the heaven look completely different due to Earth's movement through the galaxy. A global disaster awaits, either a super volcano or a large climate-altering asteroid likely to have affected the Earth. The titanium in your MacBook starts to corrode. There's a nearby supernova when VY Canis Majoris will likely explode into a hypernova. In 296,000 years, Voyager 2 versus Sirius, the space probe passes within 4.7 light years of the brightest star in the night sky. In 500,000 years, Earth likely to be hit by a 1-kilometer asteroid by now. The spent nuclear fuel in today's reactors will finally be safe. The dawn of a new ice age. In 1 million years, all glasses created till date would have degraded. All monuments gone apart from structures like the Pyramid of Giza or Mount Rushmore, which may still exist. Red supergiant Betelgeuse explode, likely to be easily visible in daylight. In 4 million years, Pioneer 11 probe passes the Lambda Aquila system 125 light years from Earth. In 5 million years, men could become extinct. Some have proposed the Y chromosome could die out. In 7.2 million years, big structures like Mount Rushmore is now eroded. In 8.4 million years, Lagos re-entry. The satellite's orbits are programmed to decay and re-enter Earth's atmosphere, carrying messages and maps to future descendants of humanity. In 10 million years, a new ocean formed when Red Sea floods the Rift Valley, dividing the continents of Africa. Star TY Pixie D 3260 light years away goes supernova close enough to bathe the planet with gamma radiation, triggering mass extinctions and Earth irradiated. In 50 million years, Africa has collided with Eurasia, sealing off the Mediterranean basin and creating a mountain range similar to the Himalayas. Antarctica ice completely melts, migrates north and raises sea levels by 75 meters. Time for galactic empire, time at which the entire galaxy could be colonized even at sub-light speeds. In 60 million years, Earth's orbit unpredictable. The effects of gravity multiply over long periods, making orbits chaotic and impossible to predict. In 150 million years, Atlantic Ocean shrinks, leaving barren wasteland. In 240 million years, the solar system would have completed one entire revolution around the Milky Way. In 250 million years, all continents start to fuse and probably create a single continent known as Pangaea Proxima. In 600 million years, total solar eclipse becomes impossible as tidal accelerations pushes the moon too far away from Earth. End of C3 photosynthesis, which is one of the three types of photosynthesis causing 99% of species to die. In 800 million years, C4 photosynthesis no longer possible, every multicellular life dies. In 1 billion years, the sun's luminosity increases by 10%, Earth's surface temperature rises to 47 degrees centigrade, oceans evaporate, atmosphere becomes a moist greenhouse, small pockets of water may still exist at the poles, allowing simple life. In 1.3 billion years, CO2 starvation kills all cells with a nucleus, only those without a nuclei survive. In 2.3 billion years, Earth's core freezes and the Earth stops rotating. In 3.5 billion years, Earth is now like Venus, surface conditions are very identical. In 4 billion years, Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy collide, forming a single super Milkomeda galaxy. In 5.4 billion years, Sun's hydrogen is exhausted and begins to evolve into a red giant. In 7.9 billion years, Sun hits its max radius, it's now 256 times its current size. In 8 billion years, Sun becomes a white dwarf, a carbon-oxygen star with about 54% of its current mass. In 14.4 billion years, Sun becomes a black dwarf, its temperature and luminosity plummets, making it invisible to human eyes. In 20 billion years, we have the Big Rip, which is the potential end of the universe. All matter is torn apart by the expansion of the universe. All distances become infinite. In 100 billion years, all local galaxies start to merge. 150 billion years, cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of radiation from the Big Bang cools from minus 270 degrees centigrade to near absolute zero, making it undetectable to current technology. In 1 trillion years, end of star formation, galaxies have lost the gas clouds needed for star formation. 110 trillion years, stars fuel exhausted, all stars will have died, only left are white dwarfs, neutron stars and black holes. 100 quintillion years, the Earth dies. If not consumed by a sullen sun, the Earth's orbit will have finally decayed and it will plunge into the sun. Currently I am trying to get 3000 subscribers for my channel, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It takes a lot of effort from my side to collect the informations daily and present them to you through a proper video. The channel can only grow with your help and support, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. The channel has multiple other interesting videos, just choose the one that you want to see next.